Hello guys, what's up? How's everybody? This is Sheeban. Welcome on my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you how to change your Dell's laptop RAM within 2 minutes. I've seen a lot of people when they want to change their RAM, they go to the technicians, they go to shops, and technicians charge you a lot of money for it. But trust me guys, it's a very easy thing. You can do it at your home without taking your laptop to any shop or any technician. It's only 2 minutes job. So I'll show you right now how to do that. Okay guys, like I said, it will take 2 minutes. I'll just open it. You need this. There are only 2 nuts which we need to unscrew. You can just pull it up. It has locks over here and here, so be very careful that you do not break them. So this is the RAM. I'll give you a closer look. This is the RAM. It's very easy. Just be very careful when you pull it out. Otherwise it's very easy. You just need to open this a little bit. The RAM will come up and you pull it out. We will open this one as well. We will pull it out and we'll keep it here. And now very carefully we will insert this RAM. So there is a space here, little space here, so that I'll match it with this and I'll insert it. We'll do the same in this one. This is the front side, so we'll insert this. That's it. Now we just screw it. It is important that you first insert from this side, left side, and then you insert from this side and then you push it in, so that you don't miss any lock or you do not break any lock, and then just screw it. Done. We'll push it in from all sides to make sure that it is in. Now it is in. Now we'll turn on the laptop and check if it's showing. I just upgraded my RAM from 6 GB to 16 GB. Now we'll have to check whether it supports my laptop or not. As you can see guys, the laptop is on, and now I'll show you if RAM is upgraded from 6 GB to 16 GB. So here you can see guys, this is our RAM, 16 GB and 15.9 GB is usable. So guys, if this video helped you, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know what kind of videos would you like to see in future. I'll see you again. Bye bye.